We have a fixed price for 1 quarter, and we're allowed to adapt our charge prices towards the end user, and we can do that once for 3 months. And again, there are options in the future if everything goes well. So if you have a really nice product to change this, but at this point, there's a little bit of apprehension also for to do this at a large scale from the municipality, from the e-driver, and for us as well. So right now, the challenge actually is how can you make sure that you source electricity for this price or for a better price? And that's actually quite challenging because I told you that in the beginning, like 2 years ago, we were just buying blocks for the coming 10 years. And right now, that's not possible anymore because these energy companies all had this really big shock about what happened when the prices went up. And they're not so willing to take risks anymore, not so willing to take risk anymore on the day ahead on the imbalance. So, yeah, now the challenge is for us and a lot of the risk are for us. I started to just make an analysis on it, and we are trying to optimize the way we're doing this. And luckily, we found you. So, you're also taking a part of that and you're helping us to get a really portfolio view of what we're doing. So, for example, we have 13 energy contracts right now, and I think there's 15 or 16 contracts behind that. So on the street, you see like chargers and you think it's Equans, but actually there's a lot of different contracts there. And at some point, there's no way you can keep up with all 13 contracts. So you need more visibility. You need to do more data analysis. We need to be more clear on what risks are we willing to take, and maybe we should take more risk at some point and go to different type of contracts. And that's something where we are really, learning from and growing our capacity also internally. Like, how do we do this? And another solution, of course, will be smart charging. But I think you always have to get the basics in first. So we first have to understand how does this work? And then we're going to move on to more challenging stuff.